Hey, it's welcome everyone. Welcome to today's VChain update, and everything is looking amazing this time. And VChain is also looking good to continue to the upside. Now, guys, I told you that VChain could stay in this, ascending triangle just a little bit up here. So it's looking good to continue towards nearly the 88. So you might find a resistance here at the 88, or if it crosses out the 88, backtest it, go to 89, it's gonna go all the way to the 10 once again. So in my opinion, if bullish continues to stay, if Bitcoin continues to stay bullish, that's going to be amazing. Now I'm going to redraw this structure. Now we've already broken out of the down channel, which I've already told you yesterday. So what's next for VChain is I noticed there's a W formation forming up, okay? And this is a nice W, doom, something like this. Do you see that? And these are very bullish. Now I'm going to tell you the technical target because you've already broken out of that W, just like that. So basically we're looking to go nearly from here to here. That's going to take you from there to there, nearly 0.09033314, and then you could maybe go back to back test that trend line again at the 80 and then continue. But I don't really think it's gonna do that. I don't think it's gonna go that lower because the market is actually looking so amazing right now. It's even VChain, I think it's still cheap. I think it's very super cheap at the moment because we entered nearly the 12. We entered at 12 here, and we also entered at the 0.09 as well. So it's like our average buying for it was 0.11 or 0.10, probably 10 and a half. So I do think that that was a nice entry considering the fact on the bird's view that I'm waiting for that top of the mountain, nearly the I'm gonna drop this horizontal line right there for 72 cents in the next coming year in 2020, hopefully. So yeah, so it's looking very good to continue to the upside. One more thing, I'm just going to turn on the EMAs, and we're going to see if there's a battle of any EMA right now. So you can already see how beautiful breakout out there. Nice breakout from this resistance line on the daily. I'm just going to show you this one really quickly right there. You see that was your resistance, and finally you've broken out of it, and that looks absolutely good on the charts, and which is something that we want to see as well. Now I'm going to bring in the 10 EMA, and you can see that if I actually hide the 55 from the 20 right there, we never ever since 16 November, we never really went above the 10 EMA. Look how we were compressed. Finally, we are above the 10 EMA. Now, the next battle is going to be with the 20. I'm going to show you this one, not the 55. I need the 20 right there. Yeah, so the next resistance is at the 20. So do expect VChain to go to 0.090, and that's going to be a nice lovely pump from there to there, like a 4% rise. That's possible, that's really possible. And then you're going to have to cross the 20 EMA, back test this trend line, breaking out of that fake out that you had from that symmetrical triangle, which I've been telling you guys. And once you're back into the triangle, it's now possible to even go to the 15 in the next coming few days or few weeks probably. So in my opinion, in the next 1.5 months at least, I do see yourself sitting up here at the 15. So even if you entered right now, that's going to be a nice lovely price appreciation of 79%. So let's see what it does. I'm going to be holding it for a little bit longer for the midterm and do a swing trade on it. Just look at how beautiful this bull pennant looks like. Okay, so make a nice beautiful fake out, go back and pick it up, and then you continue to the upside. That's really amazing. And one more thing is, can I actually redraw this, because it can be like this as well, and it's like, yeah, this is still valid, guys, and it's like you never really lost anything. But to be honest with you, this one was actually something that really got my attention, guys. That's something that got my attention. But still, I do think that this could be like that because it's coming into a range, and I'm going to tell you why. Yes, it is actually like this. This is a confirmed. Look at that. Just look at that, okay? We have way more touches like this, and this is going to be extended to June. Oh my goodness, I did say April and now it's June. But what can I do, man? I should be honest with you, because that was like, you see this trend line, we had a touch right there, we had a touch right here, touch right there, another one right here, another one right there, and this was nearly a touch, but now you have another touch and you find a very, very strong support right there. And this is something that I'm going to actually increase the thickness right here and the color to yellow, a stronger yellow, just like that. So this was a very, very strong trend line in my opinion, and that's why Vechain is still very, very positive. And in the next coming months, it is gonna take a long time, guys. It could take a long time. It could take the maximum time to break out of Vechain, in my opinion, guys. Is gonna be that apex right there. This is what I'm looking for and I'm looking after. And then you go up like this, continue zigzag, and then break out of that bull pennant, and then you go all the way to that price level right there. So that's it for Vechain update. I hope you enjoyed this one. Kindly like this video as well, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.